Oh, hello Aditya.
Hey Akhil, how are you?
I am fine, bro. What about you?
Yeah, I'm just chilling in US right now.
Yeah. It's hot here in India, bro. It's too much hot.
Yeah, it's hotter in outer space actually.
Yeah. I'm watching you from Earth that you are in space, hanging like a monkey in a tree.
so,
Okay. So
so
what we are saying?
yeah, we are actually discussing about how to get started with this YouTube thing, right?
Yeah, yeah. Pretty everyone is doing online shows like they are coming in the meet, giving sessions, giving anything. They are just recording it and uploading it in YouTube, na.
Yeah.
So why we will not do that such things? Why we are standing back? We should to try this.
Yeah.
Like it will be very good if we will try these things. We will get to know some basics or
Yeah, basically streaming or just uploading things or just getting better with the YouTube.
yeah. Hey, it will also improve our talking skills, bro. It's like
Exactly.
it's very hard to talk in English. Like it's converting our Hindi
In
in
real
English.
time.
Like yeah, we have put the dictionary in between the languages, two languages. Let's break the barrier with this meets.
Yeah.
We wish the same for the meet, and we also wish the same for the viewers who are watching it. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't matter how you speak, like you don't get words in beginning of any newer languages, like you are when you are child, when you are kid, like you just pronounce the words horribly, man. You just don't know how to say dal chamal anything.
Right.
Same goes for the English language too, bro. We have to break the barrier of that laugh and that what we say, that bullying,
Awkwardness
like
or
he doesn't yeah, awkwardness is the most correct, but we can use it now. What do you think about that? Some people are do not belong from English medium from their childhood. They go to different mediums. What do you think, what problems they face and how should they tackle the problem?
Yeah, that's actually a very good question. What I feel is, yeah, not everyone is that much like privileged, or not everyone
Yeah,
go
yeah.
to a same English medium school or Hindi medium school. So they might not have taught English, or they might not have friends, those who are speaking English in their it's a circle, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
they might be they might have faced problems in speaking or with their different actions or the dictions. So there must be some cautiousness about how one is pronouncing a word,
Yeah, exactly the same thing.
or
Like
or if he or she is not getting correct grammar instantaneously,
yeah,
right? So
yeah,
these things
yeah, yeah.
are hard, I think, for anyone. But if
Yeah,
you start practicing just like us, even in though in this COVID days in meet or in a call, no problem. So we can come up with these things like the dictation and pronunciation and just
yeah, language.
yeah, that speaking or basically the rhetoric part.
Yeah, it will improve slowly after time to time.
Exactly.
Like in India, we bother more about English rather than English. Like whenever a foreigner speaks Hindi, like the tutti frutti Hindi, you
Yeah,
say that
that sounds
the broken Hindi,
yeah, that sounds
it
actually
sounds too cute, bro.
yeah.
We yeah, we listen it again and again that that foreigners speak Hindi, bro. It's like a huge thing.
Yeah,
Bro,
but
that same thing we are trying to speak from our class fourth, third, fifth. We are
goals apart
we are
actually.
yeah, we are adapting their language. How we will not do mistakes, bro? How we will not do mistakes?
Exactly.
Like they don't bother about this much grammar. When we speak in Hindi, we don't bother about that much grammar, that much word selection. We just speak it out, bro. That same thing goes for English. I too think so.
That exactly what I also think, that one must not be very definite about the what grammar or what
Yeah,
vocabulary.
yeah.
Yeah, he or she is trying to the message should be perfect. Like whatever he or she is thinking, that must be just conveyed in any sense, and that makes complete thing.
Yeah, yeah. Here arises the same one more question that often we say that your message है ना? Your conclusion, the extract of the your conversation should be clearer.
Yeah.
Like how clearer you convey your ideas makes the difference. It doesn't matter in which language or like how do you do. Like if you can perform, if you can perform very good something, and if you can't, if you are not able to convey to everyone, then it doesn't matter that how you do good that thing.
Yeah, I have an example coming in my mind for that. Like, if a child is drawing an apple with something red crayon on paper, and if some like a guy, someone like us is trying to yeah, is trying to convey that he want to say apple, but he is speaking English, and that small kid is trying to draw it. So
Yeah.
so from where you get it like more quickly? Of course, from the
Yeah, of course, from the children, bro.
So what is the efficiency of children's communication? It was 100, and what about the
Yeah.
elder? It was somewhere below 100.
Yeah. There are constraints in the idea of the elder, bro. If someone don't know what the language he had written, no one will understand that what the hell this thing. Like if apple means something in the alien language, then it then it can destroy the earth, bro. Apple means destroy us. If in a Martian language,
It could have blown up.
yeah, we were not in this meet like using the information technology and reaching each other.
Okay.
So
Let's get back to our point, like how one can get started with this YouTube and streaming.
and why we have started, and what things you can do to improve yourself. We are we are just like we are not zero exactly. Like we know English, we read English. We are maybe 2 to 3% privileged than the guy who is not knowing English. So we are students of actually engineering. Aditya is from information technology, and I am from computer science and engineering. We both need a brilliant oratory skills in the industry to perform very well. Like if we can't convey our ideas are like set. It's not like set. It's obviously amazing, but
Sound like shit.
it sounds like it. Now you like the example Aditya have given about that apple. It's very good example, I must say.
Thank you.
Then we came up we came a idea like speaking in front of you guys. Like I know that no one is watching now, and I don't know who will watch this video. But we are thinking like we are not only Aditya and Akhil here. We are with the whole YouTube community. The whole Google is watching us. The whole whoever is whoever is having YouTube in their phone can watch us. Like this much confidence we have to build now. Like everyone can speak in a closed room or in a personal space.
Right.
But speaking in front of public, like speaking in front of my laptop with the several keys, I'm treating them as a audience. That depiction of your thoughts makes a difference, like how you perceive the things. That will improve you day by day. Like it's a day one we are speaking in front of camera. We will not stop this until we are like our tongues are not working, or maybe something drastic happens to us. But yeah, we will improve this, and we owe to improve ourselves. And definitely whoever is watching this video can join us anytime
Yeah.
from anywhere.
We feel very free to collaborate with them and just have a moment with them, so that to catch up in a conversation.
Yeah.
This channel is pretty much about that, and you can just see the name of YouTube channel. It says College Canteen. So you must have a first thought with this only, that it's going to be some place like where we can just put our
Chit
thoughts.
chat.
Yeah, we can
Chit
just
chat.
we can just blindly put our thoughts, whatever coming into our minds. So it will be something like that only. Like each day we'll have some topics, not exactly a single topic, but something
There are multiple dimensions of the topic, like how you go from the my life is like this, and you go to the outer space and the ocean things, the demons. You exactly don't know what you are speaking in night. That's why we are recording this at night, bro.
Yeah.
Viewers are strictly advised, like don't ekdam blindly follow the things. Like we are just speaking it out from our heart. It's just Hindi and it's converted into English. We are not planning it. We are not doing anything. We are just trying to speak English.
Yeah.
Like our we are training our tongue muscles for English. It's like muscle memory, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, what this I think I don't know exactly the science of speaking, but what I think is true for me, and same goes for everyone.
everyone, yeah.
If you don't believe that this is life, then it's not life, and it doesn't matter for you.
Yeah.
And it matters that how strong you believe. It doesn't mean like you are showing that I believe this and you think something else in your mind.
Whatever
No, no.
whatever it is in your mind, that
That
happens.
things should be reflected. That things should be reflected. Then it will
Makes sense.
make sense in your life, and it will create a huge impact in your life. So, what you had in dinner, Aditya?
I don't remember. I had this sambar actually, sambar and chawal bhat.
Yeah,
So
that
what
that's
you
that
had?
that's pretty tasty. You know that sambar thing. It's very nutritious. That so many vegetables in it. I really like that.
Yeah, I also love that too.
Yeah, I had it, bro, and for the regular rice,
Right.
dal, and one sabzi. That's all.
With sabzi.
Uh, I have like potato. I had eaten.
Oh, potato fries.
Yeah, no, exactly not potato fries. It was curry of potato.
Oh, curry of potato. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, we are from India as we are.
Those things once in a while.
Yeah, we are Indians. You can see that viewers from different countries can may too watch our channel. Maybe we don't know the algorithm of the YouTube. Maybe one day we will
Yeah.
we will design the same, and we will just marketize our channel to the guys who are in USA, Philippines, and everything everywhere. Like some viewers don't get nervous when we will speak in different languages. Like someday we can try speaking Spanish also. Some words from Spanish, like Spanish is called Espanol.
In
For
Spanish.
your kind information, like Spanish is called Espanol in Spanish.
And English
Like
in
English. Like in Hindi, we often do comedy, make fun of English, like spelling it as INGLIS.
that's
But it's
exactly a word in Spanish.
yeah, that's exactly a word in Spanish. Spanish, I guess. Yeah, I will say people who are from exactly Hindi medium or they face more problem in speaking English, they should record any app. Duolingo is a good option. I have used it, but I haven't used it for the English. Obviously, I have used it for this learning Spanish. I have learned few words, and there was a huge gap between this day and that learning day in the app. Like there were a day when we are making streaks on the Spanish language, and this day it's like Duolingo, the bird of that app is shouting like where you are, bro.
I can feel you. Even I was like learning from there. The Spanish, same thing. I was learning from there also, and also I had one course in Coursera. But
Yeah.
yeah, that
I
actually,
saw your certification, bro. That
but it was something like an intermediate or something, because I had to like more Google it, the exact translations. So yeah, it's something like that. But yeah, back then I used to, that we both used to speak up
yeah,
sentences in
yeah.
Spanish. But today, I don't think we remember much of the things. Yeah, if we can,
Yeah.
if we look at those things, those words or vocabulary, we can surely catch up. But
Yeah, we can survive in Spain. You can say that.
I will say surely.
And no one can, no one not exactly, but we will not be easily fooled, get fooled. Yeah. Like we will not drown in the Choti Ganga from of the Spain.
For context, it is from the movie Run,
Yeah.
where he's fooled
That
by getting jumped into a gut.
Pankaj, by Pankaj Tripathi, that when the Pankaj Tripathi was struggling for the role of Kalin Bhaiya, he was not Kalin Bhaiya that time.
So he just fools and take up his clothes and suitcase, or just clothes,
With the close. His suitcase was already been stolen by a kingpin, bro. Kingpin of that movie. hero of that movie was Amitabh Bachchan's son Abhishek Bachchan,
Absolutely, yeah.
and I think out of 50 people, if we will do a survey, 40 to 45 people will not remember the name of the movie and the name of the hero.
They
They
will
will
just
just say
say
the
Kawa
Kawa Biryani.
biryani.
Yeah, the Kawa Biryani refers to the crow biryani. There was a scene in the movie that
The second actor that
the funny guy Vijay Raj,
Vijay Raj.
he eats uh, kawa biryani in place of chicken biryani,
And 5 rupees
and
Kawa biryani.
and 5 rupees kawa biryani, $5. We don't say rupees, we say bucks.
Bugs.
That makes us more cool. Uh, and let's ask an intellectual question. We should give some related and some beautiful information which we inculcate in our brains, like how you perceive learning a new language. Like we are not talking about computer languages like C++, Java, Python.
Subjects.
We are exactly talking about learning a new language gives what adds what dimensions in your life. Is it necessary to learn different language, or it's kind of cool, or like what do you think about learning a new language? How do you see that?
Uh,
First you share, then I will share my thoughts too.
Learning a new language, I'm not getting your question.
Like we you were learning Spanish, you know. What was your idea behind learning? How you had what we say that how you had motivated yourself to learn a new language? What drove you towards the process of learning Spanish?
okay.
Like it's not mandatory for Indian guy who's having a good command in Hindi and English, and he's trying to learn Spanish. Like he's not going to stay in Spain. We don't know the future, but obviously we don't think like so.
Okay, for that I must say I don't know if you have any second subject in your high school, but I don't remember, somewhere around 8th standard or 9th standard we had an option to choose between Sanskrit, Spanish, French, I guess, those things, those subjects. So I was pretty much fascinated by those guys. They knew this French and Spanish, and if you know that French is the most beautiful in the world, beautiful
Yeah,
language in the
yeah,
world. So
yeah,
my
yeah.
teacher used to quote that, and I was very fascinated by this thing. And later I watched a few shows they show based on these Spanish guys. So I got to know that they are very cute guy or something, very sweet people.
Yeah. That sounds pretty much interesting in listening. I watched the Money Heist.
Ha.
People obviously about that Money Heist. I watched the whole series in the Spanish only.
So, and one must have played this game called TOD, Total Overdose. You know,
Yeah.
it is also
I'm big fan of. I'm big fan of that, bro. I'm big fan of that.
so yeah, pretty much these things drew me to learn the Spanish. And talking about, if you are not talking about the Spanish, talking about the English. So what I have perception for English is that one must know English just because they have to convey their thoughts internationally, right?
Yeah.
Because English is most
The most spoken.
most accepted
It's
language.
not the most spoken. It's the most accepted language. Like it's the newest language. We can say that.
Hmm.
It is not as too much old, bro. We are Indians. We are having too much older languages,
Yeah.
and the Spanish is too much old. Greek, French. These are
Latin.
much more older than the English. Yeah, Latin, the mother of the English language. We say that mother, father, whatever relations it is with English language, it's derived from that language. It's been picked from various different colonies.
Mhm.
The Britishers, they are the father of this language. Na?
Mm.
If they if the Spanish guys have conquered the US,
Then all must be speaking Spanish today.
it will yeah it will be the Spanish. It has to be the Spanish language.
But
Like I wish that Japanese had conquered the world. Like Japanese sounds so badass, you know. Yeah, if you have seen that Naruto, that Datte Bayo, that sounds so much good. That's so much good.
what this exactly means, Datte Bayo?
Datte Bayo, exactly. There's no word in Japanese. It's too much fascinating. That
Okay,
Datte Bayo is
You made it a
Yeah,
movie?
it's like somehow the creators. It means that believe it.
Okay.
That's a very beautiful message we get from that word Dattebayo. That it is used in almost 90% of the dialogues Naruto speaks.
Okay.
He just said Datte Vayo. It's like a Takiya Kalam we say in English,
Uh,
in Hindi.
uh,
That Datte means believe it. The Naruto was a high believer in himself. Like he believes no one else. He believes in everyone, and he too believes in himself too. Like a mountain, he was his beliefs.
mhm.
There were only few scenes or sorts where he gets little down on the belief system of his own.
Mm.
Yeah, that thing I like most about that guy. Like his beliefs are his beliefs, and he change everyone he can meet. Like he can change whatever good for you. Like he will change the villains. Like that things I like that about. Like he can beat you till your knees, and he can make you understand why he's beating you.
Okay, that sounds really great. I need to
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
start Naruto first, I think.
I recommend everyone to see that Naruto. It teaches. Let's discuss about that. What this anime has taught me. If you are ready to listen,
Yeah, sure.
I will not be able to convey everything I have got, bro, because some things needs to be filled.
Yeah, right.
Like I will not give you that much spoiler. I will just give the senses. Like it's about if you see that Naruto thing from zero to the 700, 900, whatever episodes that there are, you will get to know about how a brother is connected to his brother. Like it's a story of a brother's love. First thing, first thing you will get that it's amazingly portrayed by the writer, amazingly made by the animators. Like you will fall in love with the characters, you will fall in love with the stories, everything exact. You are already a appreciator of the anime animations. We know how much they guys
Effort they
do,
put out.
how much they do
Exactly.
efforts, hard work. Yeah, it's like amazing people they are. They can give life to the
Cartoons,
shapes
like just
shapes shapes
uh,
shapes. They're just giving life to the shapes.
shapes. Exactly.
Yeah, they're like godly creatures, we must say. Like first thing we you are getting to know about this is how a brother loves, how he shows his love, and how he acts as a what we say that like if someone falls, there is a something that will catch you down, like a support system.
Okay, support
How
system.
he does, like he doesn't show you how much he loves you. He doesn't
He
brings you
holds your back
chocolate.
somewhere.
Yeah, he holds your back always. Like it doesn't mean you like your brother or not, but definitely it doesn't matter to him na. If you hate him, it doesn't matter to him. It just matters that you are his brother. Second thing is about the friendship. This is highly what grained in and given most what we say that thing which is focused, or we can say that most marks in exam. What we say that thing? Yeah, I'm not getting the correct word.
Where what?
No, what we say that word which is most weightage, sorry. Like weightage things. I'm not getting the correct word for that now. Like the idea of friendship is portrayed so much nicely in the story. Like it doesn't mean from where you belong. It doesn't mean you have blood relations. It doesn't mean how good you are. There's a friendship among how friendship is established, how it is lived in the life, like how you be with your friends, what exactly a friendship is portrayed so much nicely. a, a beautiful story. And another thing is about like how the perceptions of people changes.
Oh,
Like you will see the whole movie, whole series, and you will not think like anyone was the villain.
okay, that's deep actually.
Yeah, that's actually very deep. Like it's not about a way how a people does a thing. No, we often say that
I'm getting
it
instincts like it's some of those stories which have multiple endings or something like that. It
yeah, you can think
completely
of that.
depends upon your perception, like how you
Yeah,
perceive the story.
but you will be with Naruto, bro.
Okay.
Like he made that much impact in your thoughts. Like you will be speaking languages of them. You will feel the every part of that scene. Like you are in that village.
Okay.
Like you will wish to live that time. Like you will think that I am Naruto. Obviously, you will think that you are a protagonist. We say
Yeah.
protagonist of that yeah, series.
Wow.
Like you, like there is a character named Itachi Uchiha.
Itachi Uchiha.
You will hate him.
For no reason.
Then
Just that.
no. Listen me, full. You will hate him
Uh-huh.
if you are just a watcher. You will hate him to few episodes. Then he's not taking so much screen or he's not taking so much footage, but his impact on the story is too much high that you he will be the most favorite person in the Naruto.
Oh man.
He will be the most you will uh, uh, like you will want to be like Itachi, bro.
Okay.
Is way too amazing for a man to be. Like he's a very beautiful
And
character
the
design.
creative.
I cannot define how much people who watch Naruto loves Itachi. Anyone you just throw a stone. You just throw a stone. People among who watch Naruto, if you will abuse anyone from the Naruto character, they may not respond. But if you will abuse Itachi, then they will beat you.
And they will
I'm
okay.
sure. Yeah, if you will abuse any character from Naruto, they will be going to beat you. But obviously, Itachi is way awesome.
Okay.
And yeah, that story has several fun parts. Like he's I will not reveal the story to you or the viewers who have not watched Naruto. I think that when you will get time to watch Naruto, I
Mm-hmm.
it's a must anime you should watch. And there are many animes which like Dragon Ball Z, they are just fighting for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's nice, it's entertaining to watch them. But if you love stories, if you loves how a thing or how a thinking or a vision is portrayed, you must watch Naruto. We are not a anime recommending channel though, but we will recommend such stories to you. Like most of the people have watched Naruto already. It was streamed in Cartoon Network way earlier,
Well, yeah.
but but people are not that much aware. Like we were like small kids when we were like happy in Tom and Jerry. People of age below 10 actually don't will not understand that much deep than Naruto. Anime is not for really small kids. It's for teens and people who have some uh, views, who have some thinking, bro. People who are not having perceptions are like people are empty, like people with empty vessels. They have more potentials to grow themselves. They are not making perceptions. It doesn't mean good, bad, or wrong, right perceptions. If you will make perceptions, someone will break that perceptions and you will be a better person somehow.
Right. So that was a great brief of you.
It was way more than brief, I think.
I can see how it has impacted you, like the way
Yeah.
you portrayed the
Eh,
feeling that you have shared. So
Yeah, I am not getting the correct words for that also. One day we will review anime. We will review anime with some more of our friends who watch more animes. We will have a beautiful discussion about that. We will have a better speaking skills.
yeah, sure, that will be a great fun.
That will be a way great man. Like people we are having like our like I have friends, more friends. They
Yeah,
watch Naruto.
Manish is one of them, right?
And Manish is a manga reader. He doesn't watch anime.
Oh,
He invests his time more beautifully. Like in manga, the anime is published way more earlier. Na?
okay.
They make earlier later. There are many fillers in the anime actually, but in the manga the story goes smoothly. You will read the it's a different experience reading a manga and it's a different experience watching anime.
Watching anime, okay.
Yeah, the character designs like they're amazing. Yeah.
I can get you.
And let's get to the question that language. How do you get fascinated about learning Spanish? My approach to that question is like learning a new language gives you more perspective toward any culture or toward a human life. Like words are the living characters which have been spoken from many years, many peoples. The words how that made. I still think that how these words mean exactly the same. Like how the sun means the sun, like a burning ball above your head. like how the people who invented such words use the sun for the same. Like we get sun imprinted in our mind whenever we listen that word sun.
Right. But
Yeah,
when it was
yeah.
invented for the very first time, it was
Yeah, yeah. Like there is not a person, that sun and drawing the picture. It was grown slowly.
eventually.
Yeah. I have deep interest in understanding the languages. Like from childhood, we see that what Scooby Doo do. Scooby Doo do a cartoon. They go to pyramids. They went to the pyramids in some episodes. I am not exactly remembering. There are words which are engraved in that pyramids. Like
Yeah, that
I
inscription.
was very much fascinated at exactly how what that means. It was one of the most simple depiction of that language. Like you are using such symbols, like this symbols means, this symbols means. Yeah, you are giving a one definition to one symbol, and like their writings and their languages are the one of the most important gifts which the history has given us. Like we can record that things, we can convey our messages. Like in the development of humankind, the language has played a 50% or more than 50% role, we must say. And I was watching one thing, like the primitive people, about some people primitive people one day in a YouTube. Like how they from they are not like groups from beginning na? Like people are not living in groups, or they are
Associated.
not meet, yeah, so they are not a
They
social
are not
animal.
associated
Yeah.
animal.
I am remembering that they are living separately for few ages. Then suddenly, slowly, they started approaching another human being from the science. They started sitting in front of the fire when they invented the fire.
And then
They started sharing their ideas
yeah,
in like in whatever way they had developed, like hand signs. Then slowly the things
more
get
social. They are getting
yeah.
more social.
That thing has was the reason of developing a language or a way which can
Express
tra-
your
which expresses your thoughts.
Mhm.
Yeah, the most beautiful thing we had is our thoughts. Like we cannot depict the Elon Musk is definitely working on directly projecting your
language.
thoughts on the screen. Like that will be amazing, absolutely amazing invention of
That will
humankind.
be exceptional. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be like beyond science things. Like we often have thought about, like, it's like a trauma for some people who thinks different, acts different, thinks very oddly feel. We are not saying that bad good things. Like it's like way
Yeah, it's very
more.
weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like weird. You are peeking in someone's brain, bro. Eh, yeah, it's like Ninja Hattori thing. You are just speaking some text bubbles, putting it in someone else's mouth. But I think that technology will change the humankind. Like if it's connected in the technology, I think it's my personal thought, and I have listened or read somewhere. If the thing is with the technology, if it is digital, it can be hacked. It can be manipulated. What do you think about that? Like, what are the possibilities with the brain of mine? You are getting connected. You are connecting your laptop with my brain and just doing whatever you want, like advertising me with your channel or something.
I can feel you actually. It will be more like a living smartphone.
Yeah, we will be like walking hoardings.
So anyone can just hack into us and show their ads or can do anything, or they can just use us for data mining, right? Or
Yeah,
they
yeah,
can
we.
keep us in a room and just mining, do the mining
eh,
stuff rest of your life. Just that.
yeah, yeah. It's like reading, let's see the positive sides. Like it will be like reading books in a few minutes. Like you will get the thoughts of that book. You will get to watch the movies. You will get to know the extract of anything, whatever you want, in a very lesser time. Like humans are developing so fast. Like
Yeah, I have,
that
I have
the technology. Like you say.
okay. So I have first thought in that, like we are devoting first 12 years of our life in learning the basics, right? So
Yeah,
that window, that
gap of the time.
yeah,
Yeah.
that that window will be like it will be vanished. It will be just 1 minute or something. It will be just 1 hour or something.
Yeah, but what do you think, that experience is the greatest teacher, or just knowledge is a thing we are going to have in our brains, like feeding the like the, if you see that computer, we can see the knowledge of the whole humankind in just few hours.
Right.
You are getting that, and we are training at the same time. AI is like, bro, the, do try this and learn by yourself.
Hmm.
That 12 years of experience, like it's not like just knowing math will teach you everything
Yeah.
or get you about everything. There are some gut feelings we humans have. Like we humans don't do the things accordingly to the rules and regulations and the conditions of the problem.
Hmm.
We do more towards what our gut feeling says to us. Bro, ye sahi hai.
Whatever we
Uh,
have intentions,
yeah,
instincts, or whatever we have.
that gut feelings are made by our experiences, that I think.
Yeah, I agree. I strongly agree with you. But what I think is that if you are decreasing the time frame, the 12 years into some 1 minute or something, so now you have more time to experience new things, right? You have
Okay,
uh,
that's a different
thing.
side of that thing.
Yeah. So you have a whole set of like the basics. You know ABCD. You know 1 2 3. You know everything that we have till like 2000 or some years ago. Till
and 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 you know that the newer child which are being born nowadays are like, their brains are so much developed from their childhood, like they can use their smartphones at the age of 4,
yeah,
and the grandfather of ours can't use that same thing at the age of 50 or
90.
60
Yeah.
years. Yeah, 50, 60, 70, 80, like our fathers too. uh,
I have to struggle more in.
yeah, struggle more in finding the settings in the YouTube than the child born next door to you. He's 4 or 5 years, he can just simply scrolls the smartphone like he's playing with any toy.
So this is how it's generating new experiences, and despite of the fact that they know everything. So
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah, it will create new possibilities. No one knows how it's going to
Yeah,
be.
yeah, it will push the humankind to grow more. Like we often use that word, like we have used just 7 to 8% of our brain, and there's 97, 92% is we are not using this. I don't know this is it or this is a truth.
Actually, have you watched this video? Something about like extraction of energy. There are something. Yeah, there are four rounds of extraction.
I haven't watched
Haven't
that.
watched it. Like in 4 rounds of extraction, in first round you extract every possible energy from Earth. That's the first level, and after that,
Yeah. That the civilizations thing. Na, you are saying that
civilization, yeah.
there was a Russian scientist who developed who categorized these four things, like the four types of type one, type two, type three, type four civilizations.
Yes.
Yeah, I watched that video.
Yeah. So first one is like extraction every energy from the Earth. Second one is from the sun.
Solar system,
Like after
from
the
the
solar
solar.
system.
Yeah.
Sun was the first part. After that, solar system.
Yeah. Like you are having access of the energy sources in your, you are using every resources available in your
Solar system.
planet. That is the type one civilization.
Uh-huh.
You are saying exactly about that same thing.
And after that, yeah, solar system maybe, and after that, your whole universe.
Whole universe is kind of very big, bro.
Yeah, we can.
Like I think that first thing was like whatever resources you are getting in your planet.
Planet.
Second was your solar system.
Huh.
Third was your
Galaxy,
third was your galaxy, and the fourth was like your whole
intergalactic galaxy.
yeah, the whole
Actually,
thing.
we
Like,
have we have come so far out of the main topic, I guess.
but we are not in the type. We are not in the type one. We are not yet at the type one.
Yeah, we are not in type one.
It will take around 100 to 2 or maybe 1,000 years, and if it will be like 2 years, like something great happens, we don't know exactly, and it will be like 0 seconds if some comment falls in our head, like I don't know that what will happen in the next second. Yeah, you are saying that we have come too far from the topic, that why we had started exactly for this thing.
Yeah,
We have started the channel, like we will talk about anything. We,
yeah.
yeah, it's like extemporary speech you are afraid to give in your school class. like we are escaping that thing which had improved ourselves.
Mhm.
Like I am struggling more. Like I was not I was an introvert guy was not uh, who was not able to speak in front of more people, who was not thinking अरे यार मजा नहीं आ रहा, it's not like fun for me. But what I did was, like, I thought someday, like, college is a new beginning.
Mhm.
No one knows my past. It is not gloomy in my past,
Mhm.
but I can show myself, I can present myself as the
Exactly.
way I should be, as the way humankind should be. It doesn't matter how you are, introvert, extrovert, ambivert, who you want to say, who you want to show yourself, you will eventually become that.
Right.
You, it doesn't mean, people often say that be original, it should not hamper your growth, bro.
Mhm.
It's exactly, it's not like following, like, show yourself, you will show your true potential. How do you know that who you are?
Yeah,
That you
mhm.
are introvert, extrovert doesn't mean na.
I was
It
about to say
doesn't.
that who be your original thing or be your original, it doesn't exist actually.
Yeah, it doesn't exist. You, how you could be original if you are stick with that identity you have made in the 10 years? Like, the experiences you have gained in the school may be different, maybe way much more different.
Exactly.
Like, if you have got friends who are more open to you, like, who are more, like, you will become eventually like that, because the social people around us impacts our thought, impacts our action, little bit. We are just the dx of the integration part. Yeah, the people who are, they are the limits, they are integrating us.
Right.
Yeah, in the college I thought, like, I would present myself as a better way of myself. I will improve myself. Like, people who are in my colleges, like my friends, they will not say like Akhil is not talkative, like, you will get to know who am I in the college. Yeah. And I used to show my introvert personality. Like, I don't know the people whom I haven't met, like most of the peoples I don't know in the hostel, who are living in the hostel. Like, I am an introvert for them. I'm not hiding my actual personality. Like, I am just proving myself wrong when I should be a better version of myself. That's the most important thing. People who are watching this, eventually some people one day, guy will watch this, will get to know some essence. Like, there will be many people like me, there will be many people like you, but what makes us difference is how we change ourselves time to time.
By time, yeah. How we adapt to change.
Yeah, how was your life? How was your shift from school to the college? How was your shift?
How was my shift actually?
Yeah, how are you? Like, have you changed yourself? Like, how you have you improved yourself?
That's actually a deep question.
Yeah, we will discuss it. We can discuss it later if you don't want to answer it now.
We will
Like,
discuss
it will be a full session of
full
that thing.
session, different,
Yeah,
solely
yeah,
dedicated to this only. Yeah, we'll do that.
yeah,
Okay, I'll try to answer in that session only.
Y-
Because
yeah,
actually, it's way more deeper.
yeah. You cannot fit the universe in the pocket.
Yeah,
Like, it is possible by the universe itself, not by us. Yeah,
by the Google
it
Meet or by Google
by,
Meet.
by the Google Meet. Yeah, you can just encapsulate the whole universe in just a, what we say, that discovery people always use the mustard seed. What they say, that mustard ball, or they say sarson ka dana type things in Hindi. If they will translate na the English source, they will use sarson ka dana. They will use such words, like they are engraved in our mind, like they are sarson ka dana. It's the most smallest unit you can measure the universe,
Okay,
and there is
okay.
more. There are more smaller units. We cannot say that things in the meat. If
Okay, so
how much time the meat is
it's
has been recorded, I don't know.
43. It's 43.
Let's make it 45 or whatever, 50. Let's hit half century in our first video.
Okay,
Like,
I think let's just conclude whatever we have discussed today. That might be.
yeah, I don't remember, bro, that what we have discussed. I don't know exactly what we have
Okay, no
discussed.
problem. Just let us try to remember these things. The first one
Yeah,
was a language.
yeah,
Or
that was Yeah, that was language. That how language is
And so we have discussed more on that language part. And after that, Naruto.
that anime things. Like it gone from how the English was has become the worldwide language. Why Japanese is not and why Spanish is not.
Then there was a transition, right? So then after that, Naruto, and after that, we
That personality things like something about
we have
personalities.
something in between like that pre-human things like
Yeah. Like how language has been developed, like how a language has been born.
that part. So and then all socialism part, everything. So we have three till now, and after that we had this like why
Yeah, shift things, how to portray yourself in a better.
like personality part, that fourth one, and after that why we are doing this stuff. It was
Yeah,
it was
let's exactly let's exactly get straight on that point. You start first.
okay on what why we are started this, right?
Why exactly we are doing this? Why exactly? What is the thing? How you we wanna how we will gonna do that thing? This thing.
Okay, so I'll just keep it small. Why we are doing this is just because first things first, that is auditory skills, very important. And after that, we the second part is the the essence of night,
Yeah.
whatever comes in our mind, the second or the third dimensions.
They are directly connected from the Akashic records, you know.
Yeah. So that these are just two things and nothing else. If you
Yeah,
are agreeing with me, then that's it. I think.
I totally agree with you, but I would like to add some points on it.
Sure.
Like from any time, every time I like to add points on people what they think. Like I will repeat that same thing again, but I will have to do that. One more thing is about like it's a timeline or it's a record we can watch after 50 50 60 years ago,
Like
recording yourself or getting a view of previous you makes you understand how much you have grown
mm,
and unleashes the consistency,
mm,
like what's the importance of consistency and how the time changes your thoughts.
mm,
Like I am speaking about such things in this age and I will speak different words, I will choose different words and there will be a different point of view after 10, 15, or 6 months after, you know.
some 2050 videos.
Yeah, and one more thing is about like these times are very much precious. Every time is very much precious. Recording time is like reliving the memory again. Like I, if I watch this video after 5 years, I will have the memory of the whole day, like what I have done this day.
Yeah,
Like it's a amazing thing a human brain
we
could have. Like
right.
it reimagines the whole day, whole year. It's in the COVID times. It's very much tougher for everyone, like doing things.
And
Uh,
it's very
yeah,
important to spread positivity.
yeah, spread. Yeah, it's very easy to say that the word positivity to spread the word stay positive, but it's very hard to be exactly positive. Like there are times when you can't sleep. You are way much positive in life. It's too much positivity. Like you stand up and you start coding. You're doing your stuffs. Yeah, it's it's amazing. You be neutral. You don't do positive, you don't go negative, try to be neutral, that will be more good to you. Like going positive from negativity going positivity is way too hard, but going towards neutrality from negativity is way much better than going more to that
Yeah.
positive thing.
For those who are engineers and those who are math students, what he's trying to say is getting from -1 to 0 is way
Is way more easier.
getting from -1 to 1.
Yeah, the whole essence of life is about balance. The thing you do, it gets balanced by someone else or something else in life.
Even Thanos
It's
said
like,
that before. Everyone
yeah,
has
the balance thing is very important, bro. Like you will think that the COVID thing is only eating the human beings.
no
It's like recovery period of the mother earth.
Mother Nature.
Like
Yeah.
it's not affecting the elephants, dogs, lions. Like we haven't seen such cases. If there will be, there like myths. I don't think that COVID is affecting their lungs.
Yeah.
and and how we could blame the almighty that he's not doing good things with us, because like he will not just made you na bro. It's not like you are our tum log mere favorite bacche ho.
Yeah,
like he created the whole
create whole
things.
ecosystem.
Yeah, that he will have to be take care of everything.
There should be some balance in between all the
Yeah,
things.
the balancing process is on the way.
Equilibrium.
I'm
Equilibrium is the
yeah, I exactly
maintained.
I exactly don't say that people should die, would die. I have deep condolences with them, like people who are losing their lives, who are losing their loved ones. But but who are alive, who can, this is the human born disease. It's way much our fault. We have spreaded the virus in such we have forgotten the virus few months ago, like it has just like it is vanished actually, but it is not vanished. We were not taking good
Aware, we
precautions.
were not taking good
Yeah. It's a karma which have reflected in our lives. Yeah,
yeah, again,
but
that's
everything will be fine, I think, I hope. Like medicines are now discovered for vaccinations have been discovered. There are lesser casualties uh, than earlier days. Like yeah, more people are recovering actually than people are getting affected by the virus.
you
Yeah,
can
it
you can remember that I have put in my status last night.
yeah.
We in earlier in back in 2020, I guess, when the virus was at its peak, the first wave. So everything was in red. Like if you go for a Google search, it has like the blacks, the deaths in the number of deaths, the number of
Yeah.
infected.
Yeah,
According to
countries having excellent medical facilities, excellent hospitals are suffering like
they are
they are like
collapsing.
shit. They
Yeah,
are like hell. Yeah.
yeah, they were collapsing. So and now if you compare that data by today, now they are providing something like we have green maps. So people
Yeah.
are
That.
getting vaccinated. They are getting
Yeah.
healthy. So it
Yeah.
is somehow the nature has balanced itself from this
Yeah.
virus. That
It 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 will balance. Like we should do what is in our hands. Like it is not like we will just sit and do whatever happens happen. Nature is just balancing the things, and we are like that. No, no, that's not the word we are saying.
concept.
Like the only thing we are wanting to convey that don't get panic, be safe, be home. Like we are wishing, like no one is watching, I know no one will watch, it doesn't matter to us, but we will wish everyone excellent health, and everyone's safety is utmost at importance. People who are working their ass off, we can say that people are working very hard to protect the other people's, doctors are doing their best. I know that there are some
Foreign assistance
doctors,
or something. Yeah, they are
yeah,
also.
unfortunate things that which are not in our control, but they must be taken care. I request everyone from like I think that my messages gets in form of dream. People who have done like they, there may be some miracle things that can happen. Like
I
my
believe.
our ideas, people who are spreading positivity will definitely neutralize the negativity of the people that they possess. Like listen to song, do exercise, read good books, watch good movies, watch good animes,
Be
and
with your
do,
people like those.
yeah, be with your people, make them safe. Don't watch more news, don't watch more news, don't read newspapers, it doesn't matter.
Don't need
It
to
doesn't matter who wins, who
facts.
loses. Yeah. Yeah, don't feed your brain with more data which are of no use to you, you know.
Right.
Like you if you are not preparing for exams which ask current affairs, or you want to discuss like things which are not affecting your life directly, indirectly,
Then
like
it
don't.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, bro. You search better things in your life, read about more about culture, more about languages, know more about stories which have been spoken from the ages in our country, in different countries. Read about people's
Read
people.
about people, get new
Yeah,
skills, try drawing, sketching.
yeah.
A lot
that
of
that that
insight.
will make you way more better person than you are yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that's an end note.
Yeah, be a better person.
Yeah.
That's all the life wants it from you.
That's a part of
Yeah,
important.
be a better person.
Be a better person.
You are better person, you are a best person in the whole universe, but betterment is
Just
betterment.
yeah, just
Yeah,
better. Just make yourself better. Just before
yeah.
you were yesterday.
Uh,
That's it.
and if you think that making yourself worst will make you good, then make yourself the most worst people. Like if you will make the most worst people out of yourself, there will be a people who will make the best of themselves, and they will kill you. Definitely they will kill you.
Yeah,
The choice is yours. Either be you be a hero or you be a villain.
yeah, somehow
There's
there has to be equilibrium.
yeah, there will be equilibrium. Like people who are in science will definitely relate to us. We and thank you for thank you. I would like to thank YouTube for giving us a platform where we can talk about anything.
Yeah,
We read from yourself. We read from you. We get information from you and
literally.
putting it back
Into
and
the air.
packaging in a different box and just throwing in you, bro. It's like that
Resetting
thing
the
in
world.
the no that Diwali mithai which is very famous in the India.
uh, Son Papdi.
Yeah, that's one papdi thing. Like YouTube is giving us one papdi, we are repackaging and giving it to you back.
Back it to
Like
you.
and now another thing that what you can expect from this channel is like whatever you wish to. Like yeah, whatever you think that you should get, then we will get that thing in the form of talkings, in the form of tutorials, in the form of logs, whatever you think that it's like a YouTube in a channel. Like
Sort
we
of a YouTube in a
but I would like to say some things like if you will think that we will do such things that foreigners do, like they make their own DIY cups, like they could buy it from in $5 and they will invest $500 and they will make a such cool mug. That we will not going to do that. We will definitely share some links related to that things, but we will definitely add some values to your life someday. We are preparing exactly for that thing. These nights will be remembered, and these nights will pay off one day when you will get to know.
when we'll
We
be at different place of
yeah. We will not change your life. We will change your perceptions regarding some things, and that perceptions will change your life and our life too. People who are willing to collaborate, who are willing to say their words, it's
we are
like
open to them.
we are open to them. Just comment में लिख देना. Just comment में लिख देना your mail
Thank you
ID.
guys. Yeah, just
Yeah,
comment.
yeah, it's like a what we say that there are some apps where it's like a social media in a YouTube.
Ah,
You just have to get internet connections which is good. Don't like if you are having a broke connection which is lagging, then it's way more it feels tragedy to talk to you, like we are not getting what you are saying and you are not getting what we are saying, then what's the matter of a communication?
mm. So just try to, if you are having a good internet
Internet
connection,
connection.
yeah, we are open to collaboration, and we
Yeah.
will have
Or
different sessions only.
yeah, we will have but better sessions than this. We are just trying to filter out our thoughts.
Mm.
So it's about 1:28 a.m. guys. It's moon is above us.
You will see that in this meet, right? It's written over there only 1:28 a.m.
Yeah, yeah. If you know numerals, if you know Arabic numerals, if you are if you are a guy who can read and write, then you can see that text, and you can definitely see that it's not too much good English I am speaking. I know Aditya is better than me, and he will perform more. Like he used such words like revoke and everything.
Oh man, no, I'm not a good speaker.
No, no,
I'm just trying to be.
admit it. You are
No, no,
a little bit ahead on the time. I
things.
definitely there will be an equilibrium when we will be able to convey our messages in a very beautiful manner.
And the time will be
Like
very less. Like whatever we have
yeah,
discussed in 50 minutes, that might have been discussed in 10 minutes or something like that. 20
but you will not get the sense of the 50 minutes. Like
That is the beauty of the
like
session, man.
yeah, that's the beauty of the session. We are people like you discussing things you discuss with your friends, but we are just posting it. You can do the same with yourself if you would like to improve yourself. Like we are not competing, we are not doing this for monetization of the channel. If it happens, then it's a very good thing. I would
That's again a
who
good
who
thing.
sends back who sends back the Lakshmi coming from the YouTube, bro?
Yeah,
Who sends back?
obviously.
Yeah, like it's I definitely aim to get monetize this channel when I will be making such good contents for people like you. Like there will be sessions on Photoshop, like we can say that, but I will recommend Unmesh Jinda for Photoshop. The Pixim Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, we are very much obliged to have such personality in the earth. Like they are the people who are born in a centuries. Like I have this channel. I can see that the thought somehow came from that guy only. Like he uses such beautiful words. He portrays his ideas in a way better way, that he's a great artist. He's a very talented guy who's using Photoshop from his childhood. He has done remarkable works. He uses such a level of English which is understood by the whole earth. Everyone from the earth who uses Photoshop.
Beautiful. It's just
Yeah, it's just a beautiful language. It's a beautiful language spoken by that guy. I
Imagine
want to learn that language. Yeah. And one more guy who is Mr. Who's the Boss.
Mr. Who is the boss.
Mr. Who's the Boss. Like they are.
They get to know about this YouTube channel. They must
Yeah.
be like, very much like surprised by that we have audience from
Yeah.
these places also.
Yeah, we will definitely mention them several times in our YouTube videos. Like
Because
they are the people who are just OG. Like you can learn not just Photoshop from that guy. You can see that the way he speaks, the journey he speaks. Like if you will see the video from 6 months ago of him, there will be somewhat improvement in his language. Like speaking is an art. You will not you will not learn by reading it from a book. If you will not speak, you will not
Learn,
know how to speak.
right.
That these tongues, these organs, these muscles, they needs to get trained. You know how you could be a bodybuilder if you will not lift weights, you will not do exercises. Same goes for everything. Whatever you want to learn, do it. Make your muscles trained by the things. Like we are having so much types of people who learn by speaking, who learn by listening, who learn by watching, who learn by doing the things.
Right.
but but you will definitely gonna rock the stage if you will learn things by doing it, sir. Yeah, it's way too much. I'm speaking like anything, whatever is coming in my mind. Like I don't know.
Night effect.
Yeah, this is a night effect. The melatonin. Yeah,
We have to
the
stop by now, but
yeah, we have to stop. Yeah. If you will not, I will not hit the button of that this red calling button in here. Then it will be like the whole night I will be speaking. Uh, yeah,
so
you can see that. You can see the graph. Let me introduce one more thing to the public who are not watching the video. Like in the starting, when we connected in the meet, we started speaking English. We started speaking English. There at that time we were not this much fluent. Like half an hour ago, we were just shifted from Hindi to English. That shift affected the pronunciation. That shift affected the thought process of the language. But after a half an hour, I've used so much times of articles, tenses, and this is getting more easier to for me to speak English.
right.
Yeah. And people who are taking sessions or doing things, like they has improved by doing the sessions or doing the same thing by speaking.
Right.
So everyone can learn. We are to learning. I welcome everyone. And thank you for everything to everyone. Yeah, you are contributing in some way or another way in your life.
Right.
I don't want anyone to watch this video, although.
So I think it's our time, right?
Yeah. That's all. I will shut my mouth, bro. Otherwise, I will not stop.
So see you guys. That's our time. Me, Akhil, me, Aditya, and Akhil
Yeah.
are signing off.
We are your regular mates.
Yeah,
If you are facing any problem, then you can ping us. We will Google it and we will solve the problem. We will read the solution from the Google and we will convey it to you. This thing happens, bro. Whenever you ask someone, they does the same work if they don't know. So, googling things, learn googling things. It's a way important. skill.
It's actually a skill.
It's a skill. Yeah. It's a
So
skill.
that's our time. Thank you so much, guys. If
Good
you are
night, guys.
watching, and if you will be watching, just be at your home and be safe.
For the time being in the this month, if you are watching this after 1 year, don't be at home, bro. Be at home. Let's like 1 a.m. in the night. If you are not at home, where you are, I don't know. That you are watching in with high or low. I don't know that. What are you think that we're doing? Stay in your room. Don't go outside. If you are allowed to, then just chill in. Be happy. I wish you be a healthy life, happy life. I can't ensure you, but a healthy life could be a way more better. A healthy life would be better than a happy life.
Right. So thank you so much. That's it. Bye bye.
That's it. We will have to switch off this. Let's 1, 2, 3. Let's ban this camera thing. Like I have to stop recording. Let me. What we say that
Count down.
adjust the pointer. I have adjusted the one. 1, 2, 3. Go.